Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Deep Roots Movement. In this episode of Next Steps and Requests, we're going to lay out a little bit of what we'll be doing over the next few weeks, inshallah. So, our goal is to be traveling throughout Anatolia and going to many locations associated with the Anbiya alayhum salam and the Awliya, may Allah be pleased with them, who have spent time in ancient Anatolia, in Turkey, across time and space, including such people as Nebi Daniel, the various companions of the cave locations, because there are 3 in Turkey. We've got the turbes and maqams of people like Luqman. We've got sites associated with Seth alayhi salam, with Enoch, Enosh, Idris, with Nebi Ibrahim and Lut, with Yaqub, Isaac, Ibrahim, peace be upon all of them, with Nebi Nuh alayhi salam at Mount Judy and Mount Ararat. We've got sites associated with Yunus alayhi salam, with Yusha alayhi salam. We've got sites associated with Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi, with his teacher, with his father, and his primary spiritual guide, as well as Shamsuddin. We've got Sheikh Konawi, who was the son-in-law and one of the primary chief disciples of Ibn al-Arabi. We've got, Yunus Emre and his teacher Tapduk Emre. They've got turbes here that we intend to visit, inshallah. So there are a number of locations that we will be visiting. We'll also be completing our Revelation playlist, showing its connections, its relevance to Islamic studies and the broader prophetic tradition, and understanding the times that we're in, inshallah. So we'll be thinking about a number of very important topics, and also holistic living, the practical prophetic path, building on our Salagic and 5 Pillar Practice series, building on our Eschatology series, which we're tentatively titling Khorasan, the Caliph, and the Corrupter. So inshallah, we will be working with these materials and thinking about them extensively, building on our research, inshallah, meeting with other people that are doing various projects related to Hijrah. And that's another topic. We'll be discussing Hijrah a lot, and what this actually means in our times, and different ways of viewing and practicing Hijrah in our current context. So inshallah, we will be discussing these things. If you would like to be part of these projects in some way, to assist us, to help us, we really appreciate your prayer. If you've got advice, tips on places to go, people to visit, to talk to maybe interview, feel free to email us, to comment, to like, to share, subscribe. If you want to contribute in some way toward our mission, toward our projects, then feel free to check the links below in the description boxes of our videos, where you will find that information. So we just appreciate you, and we want to find the most practical ways of being of benefit in these times, and make it interesting and unique, inshallah. So until next time, we really look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your advice and your tips. So anyway, until next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.